Veteran dancehall DJ Sister Nancy continues to reap the benefits of her 1982 hit single Bam Bam. The track has been featured in an episode of Netflix's popular crime drama series Ozark, which was released over the weekend. Following the release of the series, Bam Bam topped the Reggae iTunes songs chart. Sister Nancy shared the exciting news with her fans online, saying that day 4 number 1 on iTunes. To God be the glory, Guam Bam Bam, blessings, end quote. The track is currently number 8 on Amazon's best sellers list. Now in 2021, the timeless classic was featured on Netflix's series Made and was also listed among the tracks featured in the James Bond movie No Time to Die. Earlier this month, Bam Bam was awarded a silver certification in the UK for selling over 200,000 copies. The track is featured on Sister Nancy's 1-2 album released in 1982. The King of Reggae, Bob Marley's legacy, will be celebrated at an exhibition in London next month. The exhibition is dubbed Bob Marley One Love Experience and is scheduled to open on February 2. The experience will showcase on-scene Marley photographs and memorabilia whilst immersing its audience on a journey through his lifestyle, passions, influences, and enduring legacy. The show will be in London for 10 weeks before embarking on a multi-city tour. Pop icon Celine Dion has announced the cancellation of the North American leg of her Courage World Tour. The tour was cancelled due to health concerns as she's recovering from severe and persistent muscle spasms. In a release online, Celine Dion stated that she was hoping to be well by now, but she has to be more patient and follow the regimen that her doctors have prescribed. The Courage World Tour was scheduled to kick off on March 9 and will end April 22 in cities such as Denver, Salt Lake City, Portland, San Francisco, Oakland, San Diego, among others. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.